Hello and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds, and we are incredibly proud to be bringing you this fresh piece of stock, and what an incredible vehicle it is. This particular car is a 2022 Skoda Octavia VRS Estate, my personal favourite, this one. It's finished in the black magic pearl effect metallic paint with Black VRS Sports Upholstery, which has a contrast red stitching, which looks absolutely incredible on the interior. Now, this vehicle has covered only 3,281 miles, and of course with that the exterior and interior condition is absolutely wonderful. Now, this car has a superb specification, including a full-length glass sliding panoramic roof and a considerable list of other features which I'd like to take you through on this video. So, as well as the panoramic roof, we have on the inside of the vehicle a virtual cockpit, which we'll be able to see very shortly. We also have heated front seats. As well as the front and rear sensors, we also have a reversing camera, which is crystal clear on the display in the centre. We have a heated steering wheel, 19-inch Altair Anthracite alloy wheels, perfectly in keeping with the styling of the exterior of the vehicle, and we can see those Red Brake Callipers behind, just accenting each corner of the car. Now, we also have the full LED matrix headlight system, along with the privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, which of course, this being a metallic black vehicle, having it been de-chromed as well, all ties in perfectly. The exterior with that exterior gloss black sports styling, including the front grille, the weather strip around the windows, the door mirrors and the badging. So I'd like to take you inside the vehicle and show you exactly how the interior looks, and of course some of those additional features inside as well. So here we are, and we can see the herringbone cross stitching along with the contrast red, the VRS embroidery in the back of the driver and passenger seats, and of course the sports shape to them, which are very supportive yet incredibly comfortable. The red stitching follows across the dashboard, again with the Alcantara upholstery, really creating a nice contrast of materials for the inside of the vehicle. And here we can see the digital cockpit, the large size display in the centre, which will include all of your satellite navigation, multimedia, vehicle settings, Bluetooth, and of course that reverse camera view. The manual gearbox on this vehicle is an absolute pleasure to drive. Now, having a look into the rear, quality and the finish continues back here for any rear seat passengers. We have ventilation and a couple of power supplies lower down, and of course, being the estate, we have an incredibly practical back end to the vehicle. So we are very proud of this particular car, and with its mileage, its condition, specification and overall appearance, it's an absolutely wonderful estate vehicle for us to be able to offer you. So we'd certainly like to have a discussion about other ways in which we can assist, all under one roof, with our in-house funding options. For any customers requiring extended warranties, we have the capability as well. And of course, to keep the vehicle in this condition that you see, we have partnered with Autoglym and their Lifeshine product, which covers the vehicle's exterior and interior upholsteries to ensure they are protected and keeping the vehicle looking as beautiful as you see it here. So thank you very much once again for your inquiry. If there's any information that is missed, please let us know. We can happily provide you with a personal video. We'll get the details to you over the telephone. We'll be in touch very shortly with the calculations. So thank you once again.